Rolling. Intro time. Hold on. Okay. We're here at Kakadu National Park at the Intrepid campsite. We're booted south about 2.5 hours to a bloke called Benny Tyler, and he's been making waves in the Aboriginal community and in the food industry. His food's all about traditional Aboriginal stuff, so we're going to hook up with him to do a bit of cooking, which at the end of the day, that's what we're here for. Oh, there we go. Hello.
Oh yeah, you're on the random mob.
We're the random mob.
Yeah.
Is Benny around?
Yeah, they've been waiting all morning.
Can smell a fire, which is always promising. There he is. How are ya? I'm Andy. Nice to meet you, Ben. If you want me to do anything, let me know.
All right.
I'm ready.
Yeah, so this is the magpie goose. We call it bamaru.
This is actually the first time I've ever eaten it, so
True.
yeah, I'm really excited.
All right, we're going to cook it the traditional way. We say nagarigan,
Okay.
which is the way that our old people have always done it.
Yep. And how have you got it to this stage? Obviously, how have you got the feathers off?
Plucked
Plucked
it,
all the feathers
plucked
by
all the
hand?
feathers,
Yep.
and then singed it all. That's a bit blunt. So there's the
Keep the
heart.
heart.
This is the gizzard.
So this is pretty cool because this is all coming sort of, you know, way back around in our industry now. Like duck hearts is a massive thing, and you know, eating the gizzards as well. So it's kind of coming all full circle back to where it all started with the Aborigines, you know, doing their thing.
So we eat the tongue and the brain as well.
Right. So pretty much, from what I can gather, nothing goes to waste. So do you eat these guys often? Like, is this like a special occasion, or?
Well, this season that we're now going into Gurung, we pretty much eat bamaru breakfast, lunch and dinner.
No way. It's not a bad diet. I just want to go back to like that traditional owners. Like we've heard that a lot this trip, and for people back home, can you explain that?
Be a custodian of the land, so going back to Waramurungunji, she was the earth mother. She travelled, came out of the sea, and she carried dilly bags, and she planted all the people as she travelled. She planted one tribe here, gave them a language, and she planted bush tucker as she went as well. Okay.
Yeah. Like how many generations have been here before you?
Oh, well, archaeologists just recently dated it to 65,000 years.
No way.
Benin people have been, Benin and Mungoi people have been living in Kakadu continuously.
And they're still there, so like, it's still.
And we're still here, yeah.
Righto, so what's the plan now with our magpie goose?
All right, well, we can cook these little bits.
So Ben, we've got the offal over the coals, and then tell us about the whole bird. So you've basically butterflied it out, and then how do you cook that?
We'll
straight
cook
on the
this
coals?
on the coals, yeah, straight on the coals.
And how long do you reckon that'll take?
We like to have it a bit bloody.
A bit rare?
15, 20 minutes.
It's got a beautiful, rosy, deep flesh on it. Looks stunning. Oh,
Here we are, Andy.
How's this place?
Might cut up some of this goose, eh, Andy?
Yeah, let's break it down.
Did you want to have a taste? So this is the gizzard,
So we'll start with the gizzard.
the heart and liver.
It's super tasty. I'm going to go for a bit of the heart now. Again, really tender, yummy, smoky. Now the brain's something that I've never had, I must admit. This is going to be interesting. What's the best way of attacking this?
Maybe you do want to get a stick?
Yep.
That one, and just put some on your hand. I'll hold that bit for you.
Magpie goose brain, I must admit I never thought I'd try it. I wouldn't say it's the most amazing thing I've ever had, I'll be brutally honest, but I can still understand why you guys eat the whole thing. It's, you know, a source of food, and I think that's the most important thing. Looking for green ants. Do you cook with them much, Ben? The green
We
ants?
normally eat them in the wet season when the queen ants come out. There's a good one here too, but yeah, we'll get that one and go like that. And then
Will they bite me? Oh, mate, they're... I didn't know it was going to be this brutal. I'm not touching that. Okay, so just rip it out and then scrunch it up.
Yeah.
You can do it.
You can do
Rip it out, scrunch it up.
Yep. Sort of cup it. Yeah.
I think I lost them all. Okay, now that we're out of the hecticness, I'm going to have a little taste.
Yeah,
They're so good. They're just citrusy. They're a little bit salty. Like you said, it's like a salt and vinegar chip. It makes you just want more and more and more. let's get out of here before we get eaten alive. Mate, thank you so much. That was a lot of fun.
Thank you.
I think the reason that we started this show in the first place was to obviously find out about food, but I think what it's really evolving to is a lot about culture and traditions. And I think that was so on show today. Food's come this amazing full circle where it's where produce is from and down to that hunting that produce, butchering that produce and cooking that produce.